Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by simply tapping on the screen. And one thing before we continue, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. So once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the settings icon. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. Once you find the system option, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called reset. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.